If you've ever wanted to share a CapCut template with someone or save a direct link for later, this video is going to help you do it quickly and correctly. Today, I'm going to show you how to copy a template link on CapCut step by step, and I'll also show you the simple trick for cleaning up a long link so it looks much easier to share. If this helps you, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the CapCut web app in your browser. This is important because if you're using the actual CapCut app, you won't be able to copy the template link the same way. On the web version, you'll have access to the templates section, and that's where this works best. Once you're in CapCut Web, go to the template section and browse until you find the template you want. If you're already using the mobile or desktop app and you can't copy the link there, here's what you should do instead. Just start or favorite that template. When you do that, it will be saved to your favorites section and you can come back to it later from CapCut Web. That is the easiest workaround if the link option isn't available in the app you're using. Now, once you've found the template in CapCut Web, click on it to preview it. This is the key step because when the template opens in the browser, the template link will be visible right up in the address bar at the top of your screen. All you have to do is click inside the address bar, highlight the full link, and copy it. You can use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac, or right-click and choose Copy. After that, you can paste the link wherever you want to share it. Now, there's one extra tip that's really useful. Sometimes the CapCut template link looks very long and confusing, and that can make it harder to share or remember. The good news is that not everything in the link is important. What really matters is the part up to the template ID, which is the first long number string in the URL. Anything after that can usually be removed if you just want a cleaner version of the link. So if your link looks messy, you can trim it down so it looks something like capcut.com/templates, followed by the template's number string. That cleaner version is much easier to copy, paste, and share with other people. So to recap, open CapCut Web, go to Templates, preview the template, copy the link from the address bar, and if needed, clean it up by removing the extra part after the template ID. That's the fastest way to copy a CapCut template link without confusion. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.